Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to start adding in any order. And really what that means is it's just learning that addition problems, it doesn't matter which number is first, our answer is always going to be the same. So that's putting it simply, but what you're going to be able to do after this lesson is to be able to add in any order. So let's look at this first start. Let me get my drawing tool up. So 1 plus 4. What does 1 plus 4 equal? Go ahead, pause the video if you need to. Think about it for a second. That's okay. If you need to use a whiteboard to help you, absolutely go ahead. 1 plus 4 equals 5, right? One way that we could figure that out is I can hold up one finger and then I can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and hold up 4 more fingers, and then I can look at how many fingers I'm holding up. And I'm holding up 5 fingers. Okay. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. And maybe I draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 1, 2 lines, and then I'm going to draw 3 more lines. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can use my fingers or I can draw a picture to help me. So let's look over here. 4 plus what equals 5? So I'm going to hold up 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many fingers I need to hold up until I get to 5. How many fingers did you put up to get to 5? I only put up 1 finger. Did you only put up 1 finger? Let's see. 3 plus what equals 5? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hold up 3 fingers, and then I'm going to see how many more it takes till I get to 5. 3, 4, 5. I only put up 2 fingers. Did you put up 2 fingers? But friends, look. 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1. Look at our answers. It's the same answer. Here, we started with 1 and then added 4. Here, we started with 4 and we added 1. So it doesn't, when we add, only when we add, it doesn't matter which number is first, we'll always get the same answer. Only when we add. Okay? That's like a little trick for adding. It doesn't matter what number you start with. You can do 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4. Okay? So here's a domino and it has 6 dots. What are some ways to show 6? What are some different numbers? So like this was different ways to show 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 and 4 plus 1. What are some ways to show 6? What are some ways that you can think of to show the number 6? Let me grab my whiteboard because it's easier for me and faster for me to write on my whiteboard. So I want ways to show 6. Here's a domino, and it has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I could do 3 plus 3 equals 6. If I started with, let's reverse this because it doesn't matter which number goes first. So 3 plus 3 or 3 plus 3 because they're the same number, right? But what if I started with 1? If I only started with 1, how many more would I need to get to 6? I would need 5, right? Well, what if I started with 5? How many more would I need to get to 6? I would only need 1 more to get to 6. What if I started with 2? How many more would I need to get to 6? I would need 4 more. And if I started with 4, how many more would I need to get to 6? I would need 2 more. 2 more. So see, 1 plus 5, 5 plus 1. Same numbers, but they are flip-flops. So that's adding in any order. And this will all make sense the more that we practice it too. This is just an introduction for us, okay? So a domino has 7 dots. What are some ways to show 7? I want you to pause the video and I want you to come up with 4 ways to show 7. Did you come up with 4 ways to show 7? What were some of your ways? Did you say 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1? What about 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2? Did you say 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3? What about 0 plus 7 or 7 plus 0? Were some of the ways that you came up with too? So for your exit ticket, this was short today, right? It's just an introduction and just to show us. And we're going to have lots more practice with this week, so don't worry, okay? Which number partners show 7? So does 1 and 6 equal 7? That's all that means. Does 1 plus 6 equal 7? Yeah. But what about 2 and 6? Does 2 plus 6 equal 7? No, it doesn't, right? Does 6 and 1 equal 7? Yeah. What about 6 and 2? Does 6 and 2 equal 7? No. 6 plus 2 equals 8, right? Great job today. And like I said, we're going to have lots more practice with this week, and it will be super easy. But really, all we're doing is just adding. And it doesn't matter which numbers are first. Happy mathing, and have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow.